So Panasonic has been our robotic welding partner since 1998. We purchased our first robot in '98, and since that time we have over 17 different robots now. So more recently we have adopted the superactive torch technology on all of the Panasonic robots that we've purchased. We found that early on when that technology was introduced that we were able to see a vast improvement in the quality of the welds in terms of the spatter reduction, and also our ability to be able to dial the schedules in on different types of materials with different mechanical properties, that we were able to get the penetration results that we needed by utilizing that technology. And it's been very successful for us in meeting requirements of our customers.
I'm responsible for all weld development and new product development and all robot maintenance and PMs, and I manage the setup and robotic welding team. There's not another robot on the market that can give you that ease of use, ease of training. Because of the ease of use and training, we can bring a guy in off the street and have him programming within 3 days, for example. And that is major important to us, because when you lose a setup guy, somebody who's involved in programming and all like that, it really hurts, and that does happen to us. So, capability to bring somebody off the street and have them up and running in about 3 days and understanding the robot, that's impressive, and that's really only specific to Panasonic.
We develop fixtures that we run in the Panasonic weld cells, and I'm also over maintenance, so we do the maintenance over the Panasonic weld cells. So we do a lot of different things from day to day on the Panasonic weld cells. And also, one of the greatest things I think with Panasonic is just the support that we get from you guys as far as that goes. And then, you know, our sales team and everything that comes in and visits us monthly, sometimes weekly if need be. You know, we've always, anytime we've had a call, they've been right there to support us.
So we did a 30-day trial of the IWMB software. We looked at downtime error messages from the robots, and we're able to evaluate exactly what conditions that our robots were in, what was the time period that we were in teach mode, other different things that contribute to downtime. We were very excited to see the dashboard integration on that software, which basically gives you a quick look at what your productivity is. And we're excited about launching that throughout the factory on all of our robots to basically give us the productivity analysis that we need. Again, linked in with downtime and equipment OEE, which is another a target in today's automotive industry, is what is your OEE and how can you minimize downtime. That's where your profitability is going to be, is looking at downtime. And it's the validity of the data that we're looking at which allows us to make good decisions.